visible alarm. And in the right side is a flow meter. And we have a flow rate of from 0 to 10 liters per minute. And in the top side is a pressure gauge. Pressure gauge. We can read the pressure which is working inside the tool. And in is the power meter. From this power meter, we can read the voltage, current, power, and energy consumption. In the top side, you can see for now it's 0.16 ampere because we have pump circulating is for circulating is working. The first starting is the pump, circulating pump. We will make sure the cooling loop will it's working fine, and then we can start up the tool. If parts not working normal, you cannot start up the tool. It, it was forbidden by hardware. Okay, for now we will start up the and first we will open the valve on the oxygen cylinder. 水源泵开2次。How to control the pressure inside the tool? We will control there is a control switch in the backside of the tool. We will use the pressure. Okay, we adjust the flow. Adjust it. 可以，已经把我给了。Okay, for now we at part 1. 水源没有调好吧？我来调一下吧。
有流量吗？
没有。
你刚不是换了吗？
有买家进入直播间了。
那得定了。你调，你问问。
现在好像又可以了，看一下啊。可以了，就效了。有问题。还是当时呢？
啊，那就出事。
可以了，可以了，可以了。
现在调的太大了。
哎，我可以调。它好像这个一下子有一个气
我感觉它就刚好有，用这两很大。现在看。没问题。
Okay, so we adjust the pressure at 1 pressure, and we adjust the flow rate at 6 liters per minute. So we start up the system. We press the switch button. You can hear noise from the tool. We didn't put the cover. Later we will introduce inside. Now we can see the current is 1.6 ampere, and we will check the we can check the 42 milligrams per liter. Okay, so we switch a little bit and let it into 2.1 ampere. 2.1 ampere. Okay. Okay, we can see uh, you can see on the concentration meter, the concentration is of ozone is 56.5, 56.5. Now we are using a very big flow rate, and we will adjust it to lower. For
购
example,
买
we
家进入
adjust
直播
it.
间了。
For example, we adjust it to 5 liters per hour. Some supplier will offer you a highest concentration, but we will not tell you the flow rate. For today, we are going to adjust it step by step and tell you how we adjust the high concentration and how we adjust it to a high output. Okay, now we reduce the flow rate for a little bit, and we will check the result. Now it's more than 61. More than 61. So we will adjust it for 3 liters per minute. 3 liters per minute. Now you can check the concentration is going to higher than 70. Now it's 70. It is too high. Now we are going to adjust it to 2 liters. 2 liters per minute the flow rate. We will check the concentration. Now the concentration is pretty high, going to 90. 90, 91. Okay, we are going to reduce the flow rate later, and for now it's 1.5 flow liters per minute, 1.5. So we can see the concentration now, we can reach 116 milligrams per liter, milligrams per liter. It is very high concentration for this very small system. It is only a 30-gram system. And then we are going, now it's going higher, more than 120, 120 milligrams per liter, the concentration. Okay, we are going to adjust it more. For 1 liter, now it's 1 liter, 1 liter per minute. We will check the result. The oxygen going inside the tube and come out from the pipe to the meter. We need about dozens of seconds. And for 1 liter, I will load the other one. Load the other one a little bit, and we can check the concentration. Now the concentration is pretty stable, 120. Now we reduce more. Okay, so now it's less than 1 liter, less than 1 liter per minute. The flow rate, and we keep a pressure of 0.9, point, uh, 90 kilopascal. The highest concentration is more than 120 milligrams per liter. Now we adjust the output, and we adjust it to 5 liters per minute. 5 liters per minute, maybe the pressure is too high. Okay, so now the pressure is okay, and we adjust it to 5 liters, and we adjust the pressure from the back side up, and when I open, the pressure will going down. It's too high. It's more 100 pounds. Really high. Okay. Okay, you can see the pressure 5 liters per minute oxygen supply, and we will track the concentration. The concentration is more than 60 grams per hour. 60, 170. Now we adjust it a little bit. language. Now we test it again. Output mode. We test. It is easy to calculate the output as we use a floating meter. I'm going to check the system. And now I'm going to introduce the module. It is our fifth generation's ozone generator module. For this module is uh, very high tech and compact design. And we have two plates, two cooling plates, and between them is the electric plates. And difference of this module. First is this module is design, and the cooling loop is very, and we will cool everywhere. For basically, they are always somewhere cannot be cooled, but for our engineer, we developed a very nice design, and this tool will be cooled very nice. And then we have a flexible assembly. During the flexible assembly, we will adjust the parameters and adjust the performance, and then we will make everything will be adjusted very nice. And so we have a very special material for the. We have a very good material for for the electric plates. Just like we have described in our video, This is our electric plate. And on the front side, it is the protection layer, the protection coating, and the back side is the same protection coating. And inside them, you can see it's clearly uh, face to the light. It is the electric plate. Electric plate. But basically, the degradation of the parts will the conductive and the performance of the parts will going down. So we developed a new material and the electric parts will not move during the discharge. So if you buy this type of uh, mm, ozone generator, the parts will work for a long time. But you need to use clean oxygen and clean cooling water. For this small tool, I think you need the pure water or the cooling liquid using for the cars also will be okay. Yeah. Okay, today we have saw we have checked the 30 grams per hour system, and for this small system, you can use it for lab, for other tests, even for your farm and swimming pools like fish farms also will be okay. Thanks okay, see you there. So much for today.啊，有可能早点烧了，调咖啡才。